Alright, we're right back here. I didn't even bother taking off my helmet to see how much battery I have left. It just shows a bar, it doesn't even show how long. I mean, it does say like a time, but I don't even know if that's right. So, as I said earlier, this thing's like like 6 years old, so you can't trust a 6-year-old camera, can you, unless it's like an actual good camera. I mean, this was an actual good camera, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Filthy 3. Very humid. It's very humid out here. Very, very humid. See how long I can go with no handlebars. I've gotten pretty good. I rode probably like 3/4 of a mile, maybe a mile, without my hands on the handlebars. I went from the end of one street to the end of that street, that same street. To the stop sign, maybe? Oh yeah, easy. Easy peasy. Not gonna try taking this corner. Wait, what am I talking about? Corner. That would have been sketchy, and I probably would have oofed. And by oof, I mean crash. But we are on Middle Street. You probably don't know where the hell Middle Street is, but oops, did I say it? I did an oopsie, sorry. I meant heck. If you want to call the H word profound, but I mean, it is a place, but still, where the heck? Heck. Remind me. Make me say heck instead of the other word. H-E double hockey sticks. Alright, time to haul. Woo! I got my phone in my pocket. And I'm wearing athletic shorts, so I don't want it to fly out. And I'm using my non-dominant hand. Oh my gosh. That hill is fun. I wish I was wearing like cargo shorts or like joggers or something, so I could have gone faster, but that was fun. I probably got up to like maybe 20, 25, probably, going down that hill. That was fun, very fun. Right over the drain. That's my friend's dad right there. Or my other friend's dad. Not the one I talked about in the other video, but Jeffrey's appeared in some of my other videos. So has Jack. And Zach lives up there. You won't see Ben in this video. He's been in some of the other videos, but no pun intended. Jesus, slow down. Sorry if you take that profound as well. People fly down these streets in Merrimack. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Like, slow down. There's not even a sidewalk on this road. And my hands are sweaty, so I can't shift gears. Ain't that dandy? Now we are down by the highway. Right up ahead is the off-ramp, the southbound off-ramp. Which way are they going? I'm just gonna cross, because technically I have the right of way. Or not technically, I do have the right of way. And there's the north, or south, yeah, that's the northbound exit. That's the northbound on-ramp, that's the northbound exit. Jeez, I'm screwing up everything today. And here's the southbound on-ramp and the southbound exit up ahead after the bridge. So bumpy. Holy crap. Alright. There we go. I was just quiet there because I was just thinking, comprehending if they were going to turn or not turn. They didn't put on their blinker, so I just went. And if they hit me, it would be their fault. Because I do have the right of way. And they failed to use a blinker. So bumpy. My gosh. Here comes a big Mack truck. Beautiful 67 Corvette over there, or 68. I think it's a 67, but there's that Mack. Whew. Some workout, ain't it? Whew. Dang, chain slipping. Come on. Dang, hold on. I'm gonna stop right here. And I'm gonna just grab my shirt and switch a few gears. And that one just flipped back up. Great. I'm in 6 and I was in 7. What a big difference. You can tell the sarcasm in my voice, can you? Alright. I think I'm gonna cut it right here. So, yeah. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. We got a little gang of 22 right now. And yeah, not much, but I don't care. Just having fun. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. I don't care. But, yeah. I guess I'll catch you all on the next one. Have a good day, guys.